Hello there everybody, Mark here, and today we're going to continue our adverbs adventure. If you haven't seen it already, we posted a adverbs of degree video yesterday. So please check that one out, adverbs of degree. I'll post it also in the description if you want to follow along with our adverbs series. This adverbs series is mostly for pre-intermediate, intermediate students. Our more advanced students, like upper and advanced, you can also find some other videos we've done with more difficult explanations of this grammar. But for today, keep it simple. I want to show you our basics for adverbs of manner. So here we go. Manner. What is manner? Well, manner is the way you do something. The way in which you do something, right? Or here, how something is done, right? And I know you guys, you speak English. You speak English. And I'm sure if I meet you someday in Singapore, I'm like, hi, my name's Mark. You say, oh yeah, my name's Angela. I'm from Puerto Rico. It's like, oh wow, nice to meet you. Maybe you speak English well, right? This is one my students always get confused because the word good is an adjective, well is our adverb. So if you are talking about an action, you speak. We say you speak English how? You speak English well, not good, right? You speak English well, right? Good, right? You speak English well. Your English is good. So, okay, maybe I'll make another video just on that one. But for today, well is our adverb. I can also say, oh, you speak English very quickly. You speak English quickly. Or you speak English slowly. You speak English slowly, right? I'm using my adverb, slowly, to tell you the speed. Quickly, slowly, how well. Speak English well. And this one, I know our dream. Many of you want to speak English fluently, right? Speak English fluently. I thought you were from America. I thought you were from the UK. You speak English fluently, very naturally, right? It was very easy to understand you. You speak very fluently. All right? And some of you may have noticed that when we use adverbs, they very, very often are ly, right? If you see the ly, there's a very good chance that it is an adverb, a verb we use to talk about, or an adverb which we use to talk about our verb. Speak how? Speak well. Speak how? Speak quickly, right? We're giving you more information. Okay, and my last example here, he waited patiently. Another easy example. Wait is an action. Wait how? Waited patiently. So I hope you guys are watching, right? Watching happily. If you are, try to use one of these adverbs in a sentence of your own below. Comment, like, and I'll catch you in the next one.